Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Android Ringtones Lite MIDI. So there are so many MIDI player application that you can play MIDI. You can be creative with the MIDI in the Play Store. So one of the MIDI apps that I already installed on my phone is Drum. This one, MIDI Drum. So in this MIDI drum, all you have to do is make a sound from the drum itself. Here, as you can see, I already make it ballad. I turn off the sound because maybe there's a copyright with it. So you can try by yourself. So in this app, you can stop first. You can make a up to there is so many beats. I already make 5 beats here. So there is a kick drum. This is the preset that you can change. You can adjust cymbal, crash, mid tom, low tom. So by tap the 3 stripe at the top of your screen, you can change your drum set here. By the standard, you track assignment. This one you can assign, adjust. And then the effects, there is room, hall, plate, and also you can practice by using the library here, song library. Or you can preset songs by default, so dance, so you can play it here and you can change up to you or by your preferences. So practice yourself in this MIDI drum or light MIDI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so great thanks button below. See you in the next video.